Advance Merry Christmas! And for today, I will be sharing my fruitcake recipe, okay? So that may fruitcake kayo sa pagkainan on Christmas Eve. Let's start. For my ingredients, I have glazed fruit, grape juice, butter, cinnamon, salt, baking powder, eggs. I have rum, molasses, pita dates, brown sugar, flour, raisins, walnuts. Later, for the decorations, I have glazed, not glazed fruits, cherries and almonds. Let's start. If you don't have mixer, go ahead. You can use your wooden spoon. If you have one, use your paddle attachment, okay? Let's do creaming method. I have here my butter. You mix with your sugar. Yan. Brown sugar. I'm using brown sugar. Tumigas na ang aking brown sugar. Guys, yung iba, they bake their fruitcake ahead of time. Okay? Para at least, every 2 weeks, nakaka-brush sila ng brandy para ma-soak si fruitcake. While waiting, let's mix our dry ingredients. Flour, cinnamon, salt, and your baking powder. Naaamoy ko na ang Pasko. Add your eggs, one at a time. Okay, tapos alternate mo siya. Pwede flour muna, and then yung juice, tapos flour ulit. Slow down na natin, ha. Since November pa, you can still make this one, okay? Tapos, brush niyo siya ng brandy every 10 days. Tapos, pag ibenta nyo, guys, huwag kayong mahiya magbenta ng medyo mahal. Kailangan sabihin nyo kung ilang grams yung fruitcake, okay? And then, I have here rum. And then, what I'll do, mix ko lahat si dates, kay glazed fruit, si raisins, and then the molasses. Yung iba, minimix nila dito si rum. Pwede rin yun. Lagay natin dito yung iba sa taas. I have here my aluminum foil, aluminum tray, aluminum foil. So I have here my weighing scale, and then weigh natin, ha, around ano to eh. Yan, 650 grams. Okay? So, when you benta, always tell them kung ilang grams. Okay? So, around 650 to 700 grams. Yung isang ganito. So, you can sell this one around 350. Okay? And then, lagyan natin ng mga nuts sa taas. Christmas na Christmas. One last. And then bake this one 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 to 40 minutes. Okay? And then later, brush natin si brandy. So guys, after 40 minutes, my fruitcake is baked already. Okay? So, once nag-cool down, or medyo warm pa, kahit medyo warm pa, you can brush your light corn syrup. If benta mo na siya, okay? Or i-give mo na. But, if on December pa, every 10 days, you brush it with brandy. Okay? Kahit anong brandy, kahit anong brand. Brush it, tapos cover mo muna, tapos after 10 days ulit, brush ulit, and then the moment you sell it, don't forget to put light corn syrup. Ganyan, para shiny. Okay? There you go! Our Christmas fruitcake, dark fruitcake. Easy to make pa rin, okay? So, Merry Christmas! Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Enjoy baking!